Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with potatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of cooked chicken, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 3 medium potatoes, 8 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of egg noodles. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, plus salt and pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery to the pot and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. Next, if using uncooked chicken, brown your chicken pieces for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then, remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside for a moment. It's time to build our soup base. Return the cooked chicken to the pot. Pour in 8 cups of rich chicken broth. Now, add your 3 peeled and diced medium potatoes to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork. We're almost ready to enjoy this comforting soup. Stir in 1 cup of egg noodles. Continue to simmer the soup for another 7 to 10 minutes or until the noodles are cooked through and tender. Make sure the potatoes are also easily pierced with a fork. Finally, taste the soup and season with salt and pepper as needed. Ladle your delicious chicken noodle soup with potatoes into bowls and serve it hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.